Hello everyone, you are welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to create easy data entry form in Excel. Now in our previous video I taught you how to design this simple but beautiful book of original entry in Excel. So if this is the first time of you watching, go back to the channel and look for that particular video and watch for easy understanding. Now, if you've created something like this and if you are to enter data into this particular book of original entry, it will be very somehow stressful, because after entering everything you have to be selecting each and every cell manually. Okay, and if the column section is very long for that particular book that you've created, so you have to be scrolling here and there. It becomes very a difficult task to perform. So we are going to see how we can easily add a data entry form to our book that we've created. Okay, so for you to do that, what we have to do is to locate your quick access toolbar. Okay, so here you see customize quick access toolbar. Just click on that. Then the pop-up will go through and look for more commands. You click on that, then you come here where you have the popular command. Just click this side and look for commands not in the ribbon. Click on that, then you scroll down, you search for form. Okay, so you go to F column, just scroll down until you see the form that we are looking for. So this is what we are looking for. You see we have a form here, so just select that one, then come to add. If you click on add, just click on OK. Now the form has been added to our quick access toolbar. Now for you to create a form for this daybook, click anywhere inside the table. Okay, and click on the form. You see it has been created for us very nicely. So this one we can easily enter a form using this particular data entry form. So if you want to add a new record, just click on new. Then here we have our date. Just type date, let's say 12 February 2025. Then you don't have to use your mouse, just press the tab button on your keyboard to go to the next. So particulars, let's write something cement. Press tab, type. This is what sales. So you have the sales. Press on tab, quantity. Let's say bought 23. Press on the tab key, unit price. Let's say 100 cedis. 1000 cedis. Press on top. Do you have discounts? Let's say 10%. When you finish, just click on new and you see it has been added to our daybook very nicely. Okay, it has been added to it very nicely. So here you have to do some, it's supposed to be 10%, not 100. Okay, so 10%. So if you want to still add it back, just click anywhere in the table, go to the form and click on that, and you see it there. So if you want to delete any record, or you can do it. If you want to go to the next, click on that. If you want to go to next, so you can use this button to go through your data. If you want to go to previous, just click on find previous. Then if you want to, let's say we want to delete this record, let's see, honest. So we want to erase this from our database. Just select that particular, use this button to locate that records and click on delete. To ask you display record will be permanently deleted. Okay, then you see it has been taken off from our records. So we can just close it. Anytime you want to open it, just click anywhere in your table, then go to file. Okay, so this is an easy way to create a data entry form in Excel, and it is very easy to do, very simple to add it to your database. Okay, and if you want to understand what we've done here, how to create this book of original entry, go back to my channel and look for that video and watch it. And if you want to understand accounting, then you have to stay tuned to this channel, because we'll be giving you more videos on financial accounting and any other business related courses. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well and do the subscription for us. Comment on our videos, leave your opinions for us in the comment section, share the videos with your friends, and if you have any suggestion for us, you can leave them in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. In my upcoming video, I will show you how to log some of these cells. Okay, some of these cells contain formulas, so you have to log them so that nobody will come and make changes to that to disrupt your database. See you soon.